Purple finches sometimes add sounds of other birds in their songs. Blue jays can live a long time. The oldest known blue jay was at least 26 years and 11 months old. Did you know that squirrels' eyes are positioned so that they can see what's behind them? Squirrels are clever, and they learn how to find the most efficient way and shortcuts to finding food. Blue jays are patient. They will sit and wait while people are eating until the people get done, and then they go get the food. House finches are symbols for good things to come, celebration, and joy. This female finch sat here for quite some time and gave me lots of joy. Male cardinals stay with the female for life. Squirrels can eat their own body weight every week, which is about 1.5 pounds of food.